Hey everyone, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, where we're discussing tech tips that are useful for you in your everyday life and in a way that are easy to understand. Alright, let's get started. In this episode of Tech Tips for Entrepreneurs, we're going to be talking about Twitch and how to use it. Now, Twitch is a platform for content creators to do live streaming. The two main things it's used for is live video game streaming and music streaming. And I've been watching a lot of DJs on Twitch over the past year and really I found a lot of fun new music to do and to listen to. So let's get started and talk about how to use Twitch. So you can see right here, I have the Twitch homepage loaded. You can see once you have things up, it's going to show you channels you might like. There's a main page channel with people you can watch, categories. And then on the left side here, you're going to see channels that you followed and then channels that are recommended to you. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Anjuna channel. And you can see that now I'm watching a live version of Tony from Above and Beyond stream. I have it muted so it doesn't mess with the sound right now, but you can pause it or you can change the volume right here. You can also do settings, which you can change if you need to do a lower quality in case the video is choppy or bad. And you can click on that and you can change your video quality settings. There's some advanced settings as well, but we're not going to go too far into those right now. You can do theater mode and full screen mode. These are just like in YouTube. So if I just click full screen, that takes me full screen. In theater mode, it's just going to be a simple sidebar and it changes things to be black. Next, you can follow the channel by clicking this heart icon, and you can change the notifications by clicking this bell icon right here. If you want to subscribe to the channel, which means that you want to pay a monthly subscription to watch the channel, you can click on this right here. Now, different channels have different things and ways that they do things, but typically you have 3 different tiers of Twitch subscriptions, which is going to be tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. And with each different tier, you could potentially get different emotes. Now, with all tier 1 subs, you will get ad-free streaming, which means that when you click on a person's channel, you won't need to watch a 30-second ad. So you can see also here that when you become a tier 1 subscriber, you're going to get all of these different emotes that you can use in chat. And then you can see in here, this channel does not have any additional tier 2 or tier 3 emotes, but typically other channels will have other emotes that you'll get for only tier 2 or tier 3 subscriptions. Additionally, other channels can put more incentives for you to subscribe at a higher tier as well. And then to subscribe, you would just click this button right here, and then it's going to it's going to submit your purchase right there. Or you can gift a sub to the community. You can gift to a specific viewer, you can gift anonymously, or you can gift in different sub increments right there, or select how many you want to do. So next, what we want to talk about is what we want to do with the chat window right here. So you can see there is this is the person who's gifted the most subs on this person's channel. If I was to click next, it's going to show how many bits, which we'll talk about in a minute, that the highest person has given. The chat channel is where you can chat with other people that are watching the stream. You can see right here, there's 813 people watching this stream live. So you can chat with all these people right over here in this chat box right here. Now you can click this to change your identity on how you show up in channels. You can see there's global badges if you have any badges. There's channel badges you can do as well. And then there's a global color that you can pick for your name. So you can see mine is green right there. And then next, you can see I can type messages right here. And this is going to show the messages that I'm typing right there. And it will show up in this chat channel. Next is going to be bits. If I want to use bits are like basically tipping the streamer. And so you can tip the streamer with a certain amount of bits and it will show up in the channel. And this is another way to give money to your favorite streamer. And how you do that is you click on whatever bit you want to do, and it will say like you can do 1 bit, 100 bit, or however many bits you want to do at one time. So again, bits are another way to give money to your favorite streamer, and you can get more bits by clicking this button right here. And then next is the emotes. So that the emotes that you got from your tier 1 subscription, you can get right here, and you can see there's a frequently used section, And there's also a section for, you can see I don't have a subscription to Anjunabeats, so these ones are locked, but these are the ones that I would unlock if I had a subscription to them. The next thing you can have is channel points. So if I'm looking at channel points are going to be down here on this section right here. And what this means is, as I watch the channel, I get points that I can get from just watching the channel. And the more points I have, the channel can set up to have, I can redeem those points for different things. Now, these are the standard rewards that Twitch gives all channels that you can start out with, but like other times you'll see subscribers that have different custom emotes, like maybe it's pick a song or have them drink some water or do some type of stunt that you can use by using your channel points. These can be a fun way. Channel points are free and do not require you to pay for them, and it's just a fun way to engage with the channel and with the streamer a little bit more. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for our Twitch basics. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for joining me for another Tech Tip Tuesday. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I release a new video every Tuesday. All right, see you in the next one.